Hello, greeting. My name is Maqsudul Haq. I am from the technical support team at E1 Solution. In this recording, I would like to show you how you can utilize the Popdock API user in Business Central. Let's head over to Popdock first. In Popdock, click on menu, go to the security, select API user. Add API user will allow you to create a user. I already have created a user named sales only. Let's edit the user. For this user, I have allow roles, contributor, read, and user for the Business Central demo environment. I also restrict the company and that number of list has access for this API user. Once I have created the API user with the right list and company, I have also created a token for the user. I need to copy this user token and I can apply this in Business Central. In Business Central, if I go and run the Popdock list, once the Popdock main list load, if I select on this under the list, and I will have different department list available to access. This is because I am using a security model. Let's just show you the Popdock security model. So here is the security model. Allow user to share a single login. That's why I have all different department access. But if we wanted to change this, just edit the security model to all user must have a access token. Now I can just go back to Popdock and remember copying the token from here and apply this token for demo user. This is the user actually I logged in as. Apply the same code for different user. Even though this user do not have a Popdock user access, with this token, Ethan can also access those limited lists we allow for this particular API user. So that's the beauty of using the API user. You can create one user and then assign multiple Business Central user, and you do not need to create the user in Popdock. Now, if I click on the list, I only have the sales department and the limited list, those allow for the API. We look into our knowledge base article. So we have already overview how to restrict limited list in Business Central users. Also, we can utilize the token for multiple Business Central user. Plus, API user have functionality as a standard user, meaning we can assign any roles in Popdock for the API user. And I can see I have only assigned 3 roles, but if we go to the add role option, we have all the options available for this API user. I hope this short recording was helpful. Thank you very much.